box is the Garmin Smart Scale. It arrived today and I'm very excited. I bought it for my Chiseled program, which starts up next week. And I am very excited because it's going to make body composition testing much easier for me. So I've been doing body composition testing forever and I use calipers. So I'm pinching my clients to pieces. Also, because pinching, using the calipers is time consuming. I used to do the body comp at the beginning of the program and then at the end, and now we're going to do it on a weekly basis. So this is fabulous because clients will be able to watch their progress every week to see where they're going. And so they're not going to just know like from the beginning and then at the end, which is 3 months, a 3-month gap between the tests. Also, when they step on the scale, the data will recognize them and it will automatically upload to their phone. So everybody's going to have their own account, which is going to be awesome because then they can analyze their data at home and so forth. So I'm excited about this. Let's see if I can do this without cutting myself. Okay. I just spill it out because I'm like that. It's packed really well with all of these cushiony plastic. Make sure there's nothing in here that I need. And yeah, Garmin Index Smart Scale. So this is what it looks like so far. And weight, water weight. Oh God, I need my glasses. Okay, so we have weight, body mass index, BMI, body fat percentage, body water, muscle mass, and bone mass. So this is what this scale does. It does your weight, obviously, body mass index, body fat percent, body water percent, muscle mass, and bone mass. I am very, very excited about this. So, I use this with an iPhone app. So the iPhone app is called Garmin Connect. So I download that and then I create an account. And then when I step on this scale, it should, once I program everything, it should recognize me and then tell me my metrics. Also, I use the Fenix 5S as my activity tracker. So I'm a huge Garmin fan. I like their products. And all of this data is going to come together on the Garmin Connect. And then I also import all that data into Training Peaks so I can analyze it even further. I am a data nerd. I love data. So I do use all the data. I will use all the data. But when I'm training my clients, I need data. And it helps me make decisions. It helps me show what's really, helps me see what's really happening, and then I can explain that to my clients and educate them and show them as well. And it's objective. It has a manual, and then this, as you can see, it's in the package nicely. Okay, so here we are. It's pretty light too, right? It's not super heavy. You could get black or white. I ordered black. And this is what it looks like. So, I haven't used it yet, obviously. In the box, batteries. And then it also has the little legs to set it up as well. I now need to use this and then do another video on what I think of it. So I just wanted to tell you about what I've got for the program and what I'm going to be using. And now I need to test the product and I'll do another review later on it. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like it, share it. And if you have the Garmin Smart Scale, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I would love to hear what you have to say. All right, folks, that's it for now. See you later.